to all of you, and here we are going to discuss the first editorial of the Indian Express of February 21st, that is Capital Calling. Okay. So, if you have been reading the newspapers in the last few days, you know that Delhi, the BJP has won, and now the wait is for the chief minister there. So, who has been appointed? Let's see. So, in a maiden speech as Chief Minister, Rekha Gupta promised to take Delhi to new heights. ठीक है, वोट टेकिंग सेरेमनी हो गई है, उसके बाद उन्होंने पहली बार जब स्पीच दी, so that is called a maiden speech, right? And what did she say? What did she promise? That she is going to take Delhi to new heights. So the fourth woman Chief Minister of Delhi has a more than two-thirds majority in the assembly and the centre's backing. Taking Delhi to new heights will demand more. So she has promised that she is going to take Delhi to new heights. So there would be a challenge, right? It will require an understanding of the capital's demographic diversity and its civic issues. चैलेंज क्या रहेगा कि आपको उस स्टेट के उस कैपिटल की जो डाइवर्सिटी है लोगों में, demographic is related to the people, right? So if there's a diversity, you need to understand that, and you have to understand the civic issues also. When you take this into consideration, only then you can take the capital to the new heights. Delhi does not merely comprise the middle class of the people living in jhuggies as electoral campaigns of the dominant parties made it out to be. Right? तो दिल्ली सिर्फ ये नहीं है जो दिखाई गई है, तो फिर है क्या वो? Beyond these binaries, the capital is a destination for people from different regions of the country who come together to create new spaces, often transcending old divides. Transcending old divides मतलब उससे परे हो जाते हैं, तो जो पुराना डिवीजन होता है, जिन लाइंस पे लोग डिवीजन है, there is unity or then there is division. So the people discriminate against something on a few lines, but those transcending those lines, the people are staying there, they are opening up, they are coming up with the new spaces. मतलब पूरा नया कुछ बन जाता है, लोग आ जाते हैं इधर उधर से, right? So it is not about people living in the jhuggies only, but it is about the people coming from the various regions of our country, right? Or even outside the country. So this is what is related to the demographic, that you have to understand the people, right? So once you understand the people, then you will be able to come up with the civic issues also. फिर वो सारी बातें आ जाएंगी, जब ये सारी चीजें समझ जाओगे, फिर आप दिल्ली को आगे तक लेके जा सकते हो, right? This is what the author says. So Delhi's development needs to take the aspirations of everyone who has a stake in the city into account. तो take into account का मतलब होता है पूरा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा दिल्ली को, हर कोई जो वहाँ पे रहता है, तो everybody who has a stake in that city has to be considered or taken into account. So this is what the main point was: the demographic diversity to be understood, the civic issues to be understood, these two then leading to making Delhi the new heights as she promised. So ये challenges रहे उनके सामने, तो promise कर लिया, लेकिन challenges है, और challenges हैं उनके सामने दो, एक demographic को समझना और दूसरा civic issues को जानना. So reading all this led to one single point, and what was the point? To understand two things. One is the demographic and another is the civic issues. That is the point, right? Now, the urge to make Delhi a wonder class city is not new. The Sheila Dikshit government changed the landscape of the city ahead of the 2010 Commonwealth Games, but the development came at a cost. उन्होंने डेवलपमेंट करना चाहा कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स थी उससे पहले, तो यहाँ पे आपको दो चीजें पता चल जाती हैं, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स कब हुई थी, 2010 में, और उस टाइम पे चीफ मिनिस्टर स्टेट के कौन थे, शीला दीक्षित जी, ठीक है. According to the reports of the Housing and Land Rights Network, between 2004 and 10, at least 2 lakh people were evicted from different corners of the city. Evicted, खाली करवा दिया था, बाहर चले गए थे, बाहर भेज दिया था. Many of them were migrants who gave their sweat and blood to build up the city. They did not get rehabilitation. उन्हें हटा दिया गया वहां से, लेकिन और कोई जगह नहीं दी रहने के लिए. तो उन्होंने पहले ही कहा था, दिस डेवलपमेंट, सो कॉल्ड डेवलपमेंट केम एट अ कॉस्ट. तो बहुत कुछ खोना पड़ता है कुछ पाने के लिए. तो उन्होंने ये सिटी का जो लैंडस्केप था वो थोड़ा बहुत चेंज तो कर लिया, कोशिश भी की. सो इट इज नॉट अ न्यू थिंग. Earlier the people have done it or tried doing it, but then this was the cost where the people were evicted and they were not given the rehabilitation also. So Delhi is among the very few Indian cities where migration contributes more to a population growth than births, right? That means there are people coming in, staying in Delhi from the other states, right? Or countries also. But this is it. So what is the demography there? People coming from the various regions. To govern such a city, the new government needs to be inclusive, right? Again, it came up with the point or a support of this point that you have to understand the demographic of the region. The demographic diversity में उसने वापस से ये बोल दिया कि कौन लोग हैं जो बाहर से आते हैं. तो ज्यादा लोग वहां पर पैदा नहीं होते हैं जितने ज्यादा बाहर से आते हैं. तो what is that demographic comprising, right? And therefore, because there are so many people coming from the various towns and regions from the other parts of the country, you need to understand them, or you need to understand them. Why? Because you need to get an understanding of the civic issues also. So if you understand the demographics, you need to come up with policies that are inclusive. Why? Because you need to focus on all the people who have a stake in the city into account. सी हाउ द थिंग्स आर बीइंग कनेक्टेड. जब मैं स्लाइड इधर से उधर कर रही हूँ तो आपको वो कनेक्शन दिख जाना चाहिए कि कहाँ से ऑथर ने एक पॉइंट कही थी और उसी पॉइंट को किस तरीके से वो जस्टिफाई कर रहे हैं. तो सेकंड पैराग्राफ में या सेकंड पार्ट में हमारे पास पॉइंट क्या आ जाती है कि भाई डेमोग्राफिक किस तरीके से हुआ है और ये अगर न्यू हाइट्स पे लेके जाना चाहते हैं तो देन यू नीड टू बी मोर इंक्लूसिव इन योर पॉलिसीज. So this point becomes a second one. Then, providing clean air, clean water, sewage systems that work, pothole-free roads, and social security, besides continuing its predecessors' ARPS schemes as promised by the Prime Minister, will be the biggest challenge for Gupta's administration. Biggest challenge. अभी भी उन्होंने शुरुआत भी वही की थी challenge के साथ. ठीक है कि उन्होंने promise तो कर लिया that they are going to take the city to new heights. Challenges: one, demographic diversity; second, civic issues. Now, third is that they have to continue with what the erstwhile chief minister had started. तो उनकी कुछ काफी अच्छी चीजें थी जो कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने प्रॉमिस किया है कि ठीक है हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे क्योंकि इनकी सीम्स अच्छी थी, right? So nothing wrong. Why? Because it was for the benefit of the people only, so there is no harm there. AAP had tried to transform the health and education sectors through innovation initiatives like Mohalla clinics and the renovation of the public schools. ये उन्होंने दो काम बढ़िया किए, renovation of the public schools or Mohalla clinics. This is one of that Mohalla clinic image. Its initial attempts to present corruption-free governance resonated at the grassroots, at least in its first few years. तो यहाँ से बोल के उन्होंने कहा कि corruption free उनका काम था, so they did quite a lot for the benefit of the people. However, the controversy over the liquor scam and allegations of corruption dented the party's reputation. तो शुरुआत में initially तो वो करप्शन फ्री था क्योंकि उन्होंने, अगर तुमने उस दिन कुछ दिन पहले का आर्टिकल पढ़ा होगा तो जहाँ पे दिल्ली इलेक्शंस के रिजल्ट्स की बात हो रही थी, तब हमने कहा था कि आई हैड मेंशन इट हियर इन द एडिटोरियल डिस्कशन ओनली दैट ही हैड एक्चुअली कम अप विद दैट अगेंस्ट करप्शन अगेंस्ट ब्राइब वाला जो धरना तब होता था अन्ना हजारे जी के साथ थी, तब ये आए थे अरविंद केजरीवाल जी तब आए थे उसमें धरना में. ठीक है, so he actually was for the corruption free governance and he had started well. Later on, the reputation declined. So governance also suffered because of the Delhi government's confrontational politics and the center's alleged non-cooperation. Confrontational politics and non-cooperation. Alleged non-cooperation का मतलब ऐसा कहा गया था कि सेंटर दिल्ली के स्टेट को मतलब ये इनमें कोलैबोरेशन कोलैबोरेशन नहीं हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो मिलके काम अगर नहीं कर रहे हैं, कोऑपरेशन नहीं हो रहा है, तो प्रॉब्लम इसीलिए आई है. दिस इज व्हाट इज allegedly stated. And the new government has inherited the building blocks. It needs to work on them. अब देखो building blocks बोल के उन्होंने एक metaphorical use कर दिया है कि एटलीस्ट शुरुआत तो हो गई है, right? These schemes have been initiated by the erstwhile government. So the present government has a challenge of continuing with this scheme in a better way. So it needs to work on them. उसमें काम तो उनको करना पड़ेगा, बेटर बना देंगे तो और भी अच्छी बात होगी, राइट? सो बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स उन्होंने इनिशिएटिव्स में जो इनिशियल स्टेप्स लिए गए हैं, जो कि शुरुआती तौर पे लिए गई हैं या बनाई गई हैं चीजें, वो बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स हैं. So now they need to create a building out of it, sort of. Again, metaphorical use. With one Dalit, one Sikh, one woman, one Jat, one Punjabi, and one Purvanchali. ठीक है, एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः. Seems to indicate, like elsewhere in the country, BJP has been working on social engineering. Social engineering यानी हर तबके के लोग, हर अलग अलग रूट्स के जो लोग हैं उनको लेके आए हैं कैबिनेट में. सोशल कोहेजन विल डिमांड मच मोर. ये रहा, लेके तो आ गए, पर bringing all these people together and making them work with a common objective, that also is a challenging job, no? So it will demand much more. Delhi's urbanity often attenuates identities and offers cloaks of anonymity to individuals. ठीक है, इतनी अर्बनिटी है कि ये जो आइडेंटिटीज है ना, वो धीरे धीरे कम हो जाती हैं. तो लोगों को अगर लगेगा नहीं, लोग मुझे मेरे नाम से जानेंगे, ऐसा जरूरी भी नहीं है. आप काम तो करोगे, यू कैन बी अ कॉग इन द व्हील, बट देन that is what the author says, that in this urban life the identity reduces gradually sometimes, and often you can become anonymous also. So anonymous means nobody knows your name. So maintaining the capital's cosmopolitan nature requires that a premium be placed on peace and harmony. Premium be placed on peace and harmony का मतलब होता है कि जैसा भी है, इतना मल्टीपल या डाइवर्स demography है, so you need to still focus on peace and harmony instead of like coming up with that individualistic attitude कि नहीं, आइडेंटिटी वाला जो प्रॉब्लम होता है लोगों को, वहां तक अगर पहुंचेंगे या उस तरीके से सोचना शुरू करेंगे, तो देन things are going to like fall, right? So they need to be prepared that whatever they are working for, whatever they are doing, it should be for the benefit of those people there in the state. Now, given that the double engine government will have control over both law and order and the local administration, ठीक है, डबल इंजन गवर्नमेंट हो गई दोनों, हमारे पास चीफ मिनिस्टर भी और लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल भी. Responsibility of protecting the marginalized communities now lies with them. Again, now lies with them protecting. It gives you another challenge also. So see, the whole passage is actually talking about the challenges in front of the BJP chief minister now, right? So, urban sociologist A. Gertner, who documented the transition of the city ahead of the CWG in his book Rules by Aesthetics, had asked a DDA official, Delhi Development Authority, and this is Commonwealth Gibbs, about the aesthetics of the world class city. So, aesthetics का मतलब होता है ब्यूटी. ये हमने कुछ दिन पहले भी किया ही है. तो why do I keep on saying कुछ दिन पहले किया है? क्योंकि अगर आपने religiously रोज का एडिटोरियल सुनते हो अगर तुम, तो you know that we come across these words very often. So we know what a world class city should look like, he was told. So presumptive knowledge, however, is not sufficient. The government and its officials must listen to the ground, right? So main idea in a maiden speech, हाँ ये हो गया था, taking Delhi to new heights, right? Earlier, development came at a cost, and we have seen that the first point was there. Needs to be inclusive was the second point. ये हमने mark कर लिया था, right? Again, biggest challenge. This was actually the third one. So, point number 3 here. Point. This was the challenge number 3, and this becomes the point number 3. Additional point here, and here. So she has so many challenges in front of her. She has a task cut out. It needs transformative politics, bringing back welfare, civics to the center stage. हो गया? And this was the important line in the passage. Now, taking the vocabulary part, maiden speech, as I said earlier, the first ever speech in a particular position. Demographic, we already said, related to the people, about their gender, about their literacy, about their age, right? All the measurements, कैसे आप percentages और measurements निकाल सकते हो वो. Comprise मैंने word इसलिए mark किया है क्योंकि एक बात है, consist के साथ हम off लेते हैं, पर comprise के बाद off नहीं आता है. ये नहीं आता है, यहाँ पे आता है. It is made up of. That is the meaning of comprise. Transcending is to go beyond. Now, this is a phrase to take into account. ये अलग अलग हो गया है. So I'm writing it here. To take into account is another phrasal verb. You can note it down. And has a stake in. That means invested interest. So this is one phrase, and to take into account is another phrase. Okay. This is how phrasal verbs are used. Another phrasal verb, to come at a cost, मतलब कुछ देना पड़ेगा. You need to leave, give something in order to gain something. So it is like no pain, no gain. ये सोचो एक proverb है, no pain, no gain. जब तक आप कुछ भरोगे नहीं, तब तक कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. Right? Evicted, I have helped you understand. Contribute to, that is the phrase. And inclusive is, of course, you have done this word, inclusion. इंक्लूड करना मतलब इंक्लूसिव पॉलिसी, सारी मार्जिनलाइज सोसाइटीज जो हैं या लोग हैं उनको इंक्लूड करना, मेन स्ट्रीम में लेके आना. दैट इज टू बी इंक्लूसिव. प्रीडिसेसर्स पहले आने वाले, तो सक्सेसर बाद में आने वाला. इनोवेटिव में आई मार्क दिस व्हाई बिकॉज दीज आर वर्ड्स विद नो. तो नो मतलब न्यू मतलब नियो. ठीक है. सो यू कैन कम अप विद दोस वर्ड्स, इनोवेट, रेनोवेशन, नोविस. ये बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हैं आपके पास, लिख सकते हो. Resonated, again we have this sound related to sound. Echo karna. Okay? It sounds the same. 2-3 days back we did concern over something, a debate over something. So another phrase, controversy over something. Dented is to make a hole there. Right? So reputation decline ho gayi is hisab se, made a dent in the party's reputation. Cohesion is blending. Cloak is covered. Cloak होता है ऐसे क्लोक पहना जाता है जो, कोट नहीं क्लोक है वो. तो इट कवर्स यू. तो अनोनिमिटी मतलब आप छुप जाओगे, पता ही नहीं चलेगा. एटीन्यूएट इज टू मेक थिन. राइट. अनोनिमिटी हो गया. प्रीमियम टू बी प्लेस्ड ऑन मतलब यू नीड टू गिव मोर फोकस ऑन, you need to consider it or make it more significant, more important. Prime, ये करना पड़ेगा आपको. पीस एंड हार्मनी को ज्यादा फोकस देना पड़ेगा. लास्ट टू वर्ड्स, प्रिजम्पटिव इज अज्यूम्ड, या पहले से मान लेना कि ऐसी होनी चाहिए सिटी. ठीक है. एस्थेटिक्स आई हैव गिवन यू ब्यूटी. एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेड आई रोट बाय बिकॉज डीओसी यू कैन रिलेट इट टू वर्ड्स और राइटिंग. अब उसके हिसाब से कर सकते हो. राइट तो नहीं आएगा, पर वर्ड्स के हिसाब से कर सकते हो. डॉक्यूमेंट करना मतलब कुछ कहना, इंस्ट्रक्शन जैसा हो जाता है. ठीक है. So that is another root word. Doc से docile, document, doctor. You can start writing 2-3 more words. Documentation, documentary. Now, more to read में squeaking in tongues, इसमें थोड़ा कोई एक experiment किया गया है rats के ऊपर. So you can read this. This is an interesting topic. And Delhi's welfare dilemma. It is about the same thing now what we were discussing, and therefore when you read this, oh, the topic will be clear to you then, right? So you have read, I think so, 3-4 articles हो जाएंगे इसके ऊपर. So topic clear for the day. Done for the day. So that's all. Stay logical, be logical, and stay positive and be positive always. Thank you. See you soon.